Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short video I'm going to look at how we can edit closed captions that have been automatically generated by Kaltura. So this is a video that I've uploaded to Kaltura, and I've accessed this by going to the My Media section of Keats, or Moodle. The video is all about Kaltura, funnily enough, but there's some mistakes in the auto-generated caption file which I need to correct. So the way you do this in the new version of Kaltura, which only came out this week, is to scroll down, select Actions, and choose the Caption and Enrich option. If you haven't already generated captions for your file, there will be a section that says Order Captions and Enrichment Service. Select Machine, English, and Captions, and choose Submit, and then within about an hour or two, Kaltura will have generated auto captions for you. Since I've already done this for this file, the captions are already updated here, generated today on July the 30th. It says they're completed, but I watched the video through and noticed some mistakes. This little pen icon that's next to it is the edit icon. You'll see this pen icon in many places in Kaltura, and it's hard sometimes to see what this pen is actually doing. But in this case, the pen icon is there for you to edit your captions. So we're going to click on the pen icon. Once the closed captions editor has loaded, you can look through your video, and as this little tick box here is selected, your captions will automatically scroll through as you are watching the video. If you don't know where the mistake was, but just remember there was a mistake, you can search within your captions for any word. I'm looking for Kaltura, but actually Kaltura is the mistake that I found. You'll see down the bottom of the screen here at 013.410 that actually it talks about a thing called culture capture. So if I search here now for culture and replace it with Kaltura, you'll find that this is probably the problem. So let's choose that. There, you see it's found the word culture and replaced it with Kaltura. Once this has been done and you're happy, you can click on Save. If you make a mistake, you can click on Revert, and it'll revert back to the previous text. So let's just replace that again and click Save. Make sure you want to save and say yes. And now our closed captions have been updated to accommodate this spelling error. If there is any text you wish to edit manually, simply click on the text, highlight the text you want to change, and type in the new version of the text. When you're happy, press Save. Now it's saved all those changes. It's quite easy to watch through your videos and edit any captions that are incorrect. Remember to save when you've done this. Once you've finished, press back, and you'll find that your new captions are automatically placed in your video. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.